Okay, now we're gonna make, I call it spread, you can call it dip. It's very versatile. So we're gonna finely chop some onion, maybe 1/4 will do. Try to chop it as fine as you can. Put it in a bowl. I got some very nice pickled peppers. It's nice to use some pickles to break up the meat, bit of fattiness. Acidity is always good. Chop it up finely as well. Get some of our biltong. Beautiful. I always get so excited when I'm touching this meat. And this time we want to try to chop it very fine, because it's going to be kind of like a tartare consistency. And again, when we mix it together with all the ingredients, it will soften up. Beautiful. Into the bowl, some mustard, a little bit of mustard. I like to use sour cream or yogurt for a little bit of healthy option, and then just give it a good mix. I don't wanna put any salt and pepper because our biltong is already seasoned well. Yeah, and now we're gonna refrigerate. Let it all set, marinate. Okay. Fridge. You can use potato chips, you can use tortillas, whatever you have on hand, and we can just serve it now in the bowl. And I like to use greens. Let's try. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. I can eat the whole thing now.